Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We get messages saying, read so and so ayah, it will cure XYZ sickness. Can there be any possibility of such things to be true anytime, since they aren't reported from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's time? Okay, not every text could be saying like that. Most of this text can be unknown whether it has come from the Prophet or not, but there are plenty of ahadith where Prophet ﷺ did say, like Prophet has said about the black seed oil. He said that the black seed oil has got the cure for every disease except the death. So this hadith is in Sahih Bukhari. So if a person is using that black seed oil in his lifetime for any healing purpose, that will help him for the sickness. Similarly, Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, these were the surahs that Rasulullah, when he was affected with the magic spell, and Angel Jibril came to him with these two surahs, Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, and it was read on him and blown onto him, so he was healed. So, and there are many other verses as well. Coming back to your point, generally speaking, any part of the Quran, inshallah, if you read that with this intention, that it will help you with the healing purpose, then inshallah it will be helpful to you. But then you don't have to be extra smart, saying, oh, if I read something where Allah is cursing Fir'aun, will that heal me? Come on, there's a common sense. These are the stories that will not become something that you will say, okay, I believe in this and I start blowing on myself. No, the verses which speaks about the spiritual faith, increasing of the iman, verses which speaks about the manners and etiquettes and, encouragement of, worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So those verses, mashallah, generally because Quran says in chapter 17, وَنُنَزِّلُ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مَا هُوَ شِفَاءٌ وَرَحْمَةٌ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَلَا يَزِيدُ الظَّالِمِينَ إِلَّا خَسَارًا. See, again, this ayah is very clear. وَنُنَزِّلُ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مَا هُوَ شِفَاءٌ وَرَحْمَةٌ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ. That there are so many verses we have revealed. Allah is saying there are so many verses we have revealed in the Quran which has got healings and remedy in that. So we don't have to even specify, but we have to have a common sense. Then when the verses speaks about the iman, verses speaks about the rewards, verses speaks about the Jannah, all those verses, mashallah, you can start reading. Like for example, if you don't know which specific verse you should be reading for any particular illness, read Ayatul Kursi. This is a part of the Quran, and inshallah it will serve all the purposes of your problems. Read last two verses of Surah Al-Baqarah. It will help you, inshallah. Same thing, read Surah Al-Fatiha. Same thing, read last two surahs, Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas. Alhamdulillah, you will get the reward for that, or you will be healed, inshallah. So my brothers and sisters, it is mashallah a very good question.